Good evening, friends. I welcome you to another session of Bank Nifty, Nifty, and Finnifty Analysis with Catalyst Trading Institute. So, friends, I hope everyone who traded per hour levels that we provide every day on analysis video had a great start to the week. So, friends, what was the analysis? The analysis was in the morning. I will not look at the long. I will first look at the short, and don't short Nifty because Nifty IT is very strong. Do not short Nifty, right? Short Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty if you like. Both I had given a resistance level and I had given a support level. It hit the resistance. From there it gave roughly 200 to 300 point fall, and from there it consolidated, and then it started testing the trend line that I had drawn. Now the trend line I had said in the morning, if it comes, it's 930 to 1000 45,030 level, right? But given the entire day's price action had happened above 960, the upper part of the trend line shifted from 45,036 to 44,960, and the lower part obviously shifted to 44,880. So beyond that, from 115 130, right, the rally resumed and it was a closing above 15-minute trend line. It was a breakout, clear cut breakout. So even I traded. पर्सनली मैंने इतना बड़ा रैली एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था. मुझे लगा था 45 200 पे जाके रुक जाएगा. क्वांटिटी बहुत छोटी ली थी. एंड एच डी एफ सी बैंक का रिजल्ट था. उसके बाद सेंट्रल बैंक का रिजल्ट था. एच डी एफ सी बैंक रिजल्ट मेंट एच डी एफ सी कोटक रैलीड. ICICI was bullish. I said ICICI is looking bullish. It went high. Along with it, it pulled the other components like IndusInd and the Kotak also. SBI went along with central bank. Now, what has happened? Interestingly, today the VIX has also increased. Now, generally people say that if VIX is rising, do not go long with market. But see, these are the nuances of the market that you have to actually be careful of and trade. You cannot say that if VIX is rising, I will not trade on the long side. VIX is falling, I will not trade on the short side. Right. So let's quickly look at the Bank Nifty chart. So Bank Nifty has given the highest closing. It's an all-time high closing in Bank Nifty. Now for tomorrow, very simple, 45,650. If it trades above, right, it will go towards 46,000 levels, right? Tomorrow is Finnifty expiry. Do not expect very. See, if there is a gap up opening, do not expect any major moves, right? If there is a gap up opening, do not expect any major moves. Now let's get into 15-minute chart and try and see where we can enter. So friends, now, so okay, this was the level that I had given. I said if it opens here between 930 and 45,030, do not enter long. This was the band. Market actually opened near the trend line. This was the trend line, right? Market actually opened and then tuck, it fell down, right? Now what market has done? Market has in a subtle way created a support. If you see, right, market has created a support. Now for tomorrow, importantly, see, all these areas will become a support, form of support. See this band. This is your band 1, which is a support, and this is your band 2, right? Now I am taking this out. So tomorrow, if market opens gap down around 45,371, I would again take the trades for the target of 45,550 and 45,630. If there is a big gap down around 45,137, again at within first 5-10 minutes, if it forms a range and breaks out or gives me a bullish candle in 5 minutes, I will again take long trade for the targets of 45,220 and 45,315. Depends on where it opens, right? If it opens flat, guys, very important, do listen. If it opens flat like this, give it 10 to 15 minutes, let it form the range around. See, it should not break 45.4. If it opens flat, it should not break 45.450. It should not go above 45.580 to 600, form a range and then break. I will take it for the targets of 45.730 and 45.800, right? Short, I would avoid even at very big gap down right now, the buying pressure will be there. So I'm not looking at any short trades now, even in bank nifty, right? Now why? Look at the components, everything has fired. So this again can take a support between 1668 and 70 for the targets of 1686. Kotak has given very good closing. This can now again go back to 1920. ICICI again wonderful closing, all time high, can again go up. Axis can take a support between 960 964, go up. SBI surprisingly, this was a bearish chart, has taken a support and going up. So guys, now result season is kicked in. Just like IT results are taking it up, banking results have started coming in. Next up would be ICICI, Axis and Kotak. These would all start moving along with results. So expect some bit of index management. We are at all time highs now. Bank Nifty may not give very good risk return until it falls down. There is a meaningful correction of 1500 2000 points. Now bank nifty on the long side will go in a slow and steady manner, will not give you big returns, right? So for me personally, whenever I want to long, I would look at nifty also. Now nifty IT game is over. Primarily the big companies have delivered their result. Now as the result season on the nifty IT side gets over, you may get less of a movement. So for tomorrow, how do we plan a trade? So spot is bullish, component chart is bullish. If I see this 45,400, see, let it come. See, this can open between 225 and 260. Anything below that we'll have to wait and watch. But if it opens between 225 and 260, consolidates, you can then look at, see guys, around 9, around this 925 930, if it takes out 246, take it for the targets of 300. Simple, right? Put trade at least on the option chart. If there is a gap down, again hear me out, if there is a gap down, see, it should ideally cross this level, right? Let me look at 45 600 p, because this is actually very expensive. Premiums on the put side are very heavy. Probably they may write more, guys, they may write more. See, look at this. Ideally, if this put premium starts moving above, so see, it has to open here around 330, between 330 and 380, 60 point range. It has to consolidate around 930. If it moves out of this range of 367, I'll take a trade for the targets of 400 and first target will be 460, second target will be 490, right? This is the plan of action for bank nifty. Fin nifty, again, after the morning move, do not expect any big moves. Today was a trending day. Tomorrow, because of fin nifty expiry, you may get a move in the morning, then start playing for the expiry after 2 to 15. Fin nifty expiry moves happen after 3 o'clock, so do not expect any big movement right in between. So take a trade in the morning and then immediately shift to say, take small quantities, do not risk more. Try to take the expiry trade. For people who are wanting to see how we trade expiries, expiry setup, there is a video, go back and see. I will try and come live to ensure that people can see how the open interest buildup happens. Now interestingly, in bank nifty, this has gone beyond the all-time high. Fin nifty has some space. So guys, fin nifty about 2350, you can take a trade for 2420 and 2490. Downside, again, I'm not looking at anything till it gives a solid closing below 2200. The last expiry move, see, I would try to buy it if there is a gap down in fin nifty, right? I may try to buy it between 2250 and 2200. So between 2200 and 250, I would like to buy fin nifty C as my first trade. Coming to nifty, nifty 50 said do not short, right? I said just do not short it. It's looking very bullish. This can actually go back and test 20,000. For tomorrow, if it comes to 19,680, I will buy it with a stop loss of 19,640 for the targets of 19,720 and 19,750. Now, why do we say so? Look at this, guys. Nifty IT done its work, right? Touch 31,600 intraday. This has actually touched 31,600 intraday. My target was 31,500. It has touched it. FMCG is also, so all the components are bullish. probably tomorrow. Now financial services, now sectorally, right, you will get results which will actually try to pull it up. So there will be index management, guys. Now at least stock front, right, do not try to chase anything. Nifty is looking bullish. Reliance and HDFC Bank definitely bullish. IT stocks gave good movement. Now it should actually take a pause, right? So in terms of stocks, I had suggested Deepak Nitrate. I had suggested this as a buy above 1950, rocketed it up to 2050 point move, 3% move, roughly 2.5% move in this, right? Apollo Tire, I said we could get a round of shorting. If you see from here around 418, it fell down to 412, right? I won't want to carry any stocks. Deepak Nitrate I had given for swing, I have exited. Now there is no position that I am holding. Infi was one which I was looking at. Infi and Wipro has given decent move. Wipro I had said we can hold. There was a result also. Wipro from 405 went all the way to 424, but now I have no open positions, nothing that I have as a recommendation. So friends, that's it from us. Tomorrow opening, if it's a dip, I will buy CE. If it's a gap up and a small gap up and forms a range and then breaks out the range, I will buy CE. Big gap up, I will have to wait and watch and see. Big gap down, I'll have to wait and watch and see. But I am more or less seeing first trade as bullish, then consolidation. End of the day, I am looking at moves basis Finnifty expiry. So friends, that's it. Tomorrow trade light. We have done very good today. Be it gold, be it stock option, we traded Emphasis. Fantastic trade, 56 to 105. And Bank Nifty, PE and CE both gave rocket moves. So friends, that's it from us. For people who have not subscribed and are watching the video, please go ahead, subscribe, hit the notification button so that you get notifications of when we are coming live or when we are posting any video. And if you're liking the quality of the content, please share it with your friends and family members. Join both our Telegram channel as well as YouTube channel so that you get our content, our some of our research material, right? Whatever we are researching in stocks and how we are arriving at long or short entries, you can see it. So that's it, friends. Great start to the week. Let's hope to continue building up the momentum towards Tuesday, and we'll take it up from there. Thank you, friends.